Chef Toby back again with another great recipe for Rumland School District families. Today we'll be making a healthy hummus. And right after that, we're gonna spice it up a little bit. The ingredients we'll be using are garbanzo beans, garbanzo juice, fresh cilantro, olive oil, fresh garlic, salt and pepper, lemon juice, fresh jalapenos, cumin, and tahini. All right, first we're gonna start with our canned garbanzo beans. Next, we're gonna put in our fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next, we're gonna grab some olive oil. The next ingredient we're gonna use is tahini. If you can't find tahini or it's a little too expensive, you can leave it out. Tahini is basically peanut butter made from sesame seeds. Just a couple tablespoons of tahini. All right, we're gonna add some chopped garlic, salt, and black pepper. Next, a little bit of cumin. We reserved some of the liquid from the chickpeas that we drained earlier. We're gonna put a little bit in just to thin it out. Now we'll add some of the reserved liquid. Now that all the ingredients are in, we'll blend till smooth. All right, looks like we're getting there. We're gonna add a little more liquid to thin it out just a little bit more. All right, I think we're just about done. Let's take a look, if I can open it. There we go. Nice and creamy and smooth. All right, so there you go. See how easy that was? Our hummus is done. This is just basically a plain hummus. All right, so now we're finished pulling up our hummus. Look how creamy that is. Let's bring it over to the table for plating. All right, and there we go. And a little paprika for color. All right, now we're gonna kick this hummus up a notch. We're gonna add a little fresh chopped cilantro. And we also have some seeded chopped jalapenos. If you like it a little spicier, keep the seeds in. All right, now I'm gonna add those jalapenos. And then we're gonna give it a nice blend. All right, looks like everything's chopped up evenly. All right, see how everything's evenly distributed? Looks great. All right, now let's bowl it up. Boy, doesn't that look great. All right, and now let's take it to the table. And to finish it off, a little garnish of cilantro. Bon appetit. Boy, that's tasty, and those jalapenos give it a great kick. I hope you enjoyed this healthy, easy recipe, and I hope you give it a try at home. Go check out the recipe on the RSD Nutrition Services website. Thanks for watching, and keep your eyes peeled for future videos. See you next time, and keep eating healthy.